Hey there, Libra. Let me just turn this down. This is totally impromptu. It's not going down. All right. Real quick, let's see what's up. These cards are big for me. That's too many. Libra, 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 Libra. Fuck. Eagle, which is the King of Swords, which is Libra. The Rat, Four of Pentacles, and the Raven. The Messenger of Magic is the Magician. So let's see what's going on here. What is going on with the Eagle and the King of Swords? Five of Swords and the Seven of Wands. Somebody wants to win Libra at all costs. An Emperor energy. I'll take another one, thank you. Sorry for the quietness. Somebody wants to heal something and give back with the Peacock and the Gorilla there, which is the Six of Pentacles, and the Star. Somebody wants to apologize for their behavior, possibly in the past where there was a fight, but now somebody's done like a 180. So I feel like, can I have another one? Thank you. There's like this huge awakening and reconciliation. This person is having a ginormous awakening. And they're like a moth to a flame. Now all of a sudden they see death and God. Stop it, Hangman. It's like my brain got blocked. Somebody's being called to work together here after someone was holding back. All of a sudden somebody wants to like nurture all the things. That was the Queen of Cups. Could be Scorpio. This person, somebody, again, with the fucking Magician, has manifested attention. Like, attention, attention, attention. The Six of Wands and the Four of Wands is the Ten of Wands. Somebody is sick and tired of carrying the things all by themselves. And they are manifesting you to be their partner here because they recognize the Queen of Cups that you are super secure. They really want to work with you. They want to play. They want to enjoy you. They want to give things to you. A relationship. A solid one with the Ace of Pentacles and the Hierophant. It's like a match. Both really strong. Like really strong. Guardians of each other. Ten of Cups. And the Empress. It's a match. Out of nowhere. Alchemy. Somebody has manifested, done magic because they want to bring the past back or to do it differently here. They are upset about the missed opportunity and the juggling that happened. Yeah, exactly, juggling. And then there was a taken off. There's two like crows and ravens out here. The magpie is part of the crow family. Change of scenery. Someone's tired of being lost. Bye.